everyone, this is Nandini Sharma.
And I am Shashidhar.
And I'm Vedant.
So here we are recording this session. This is a video series of showing the knowledge of what exactly MSPs are, and we are exactly telling you how things goes around in the community and how it is the experiences. So today we have Vedant with us, and he'll be telling us about the mentoring sessions and how in the community he has worked up. And yeah, so here we go with the first question. So Vedant, can you just brief us about mentorship program in the community?
So first of all, I'd like to discuss about why mentoring is needed because that goes hand in hand with the question. So usually when someone is new to the program and they are having issues with how to navigate through the teams and how to work around the milestones and stuff. So that time people usually require mentoring where they need someone to discuss about it and tell them answers. So at that time mentoring is really needed. So last time we started with a mentoring program, which was like we rolled out the forms on Teams itself, and who were interested, we mentored them across how you can navigate through alpha 1 to alpha 2 to beta, which are the milestones of MSP.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, we would like to know who are the mentors and who can receive the mentorship as a part of this program.
So this program basically was started under MSP Inspire, which is now MS Inspire. So this was, I guess at that time we even rolled out forms for mentors. So there were 6 to 7 mentors, including me, Salman, Simran, Ganesh, Arunesh, Victoria. And as I told, we rolled out the form for even mentees. So there were people who joined in, and we had a Discord channel, and we helped them with navigating through milestones and even other things. I mean, while you are in MSP program, how can you extract the best out of it? So we help with that. But even if someone is not in the program or just wants some mentorship, he or she can just reach out to someone in Teams, message them. And this community is basically very active, and everyone will be happy to help you anytime.
True that. So, what is the main theme or the field of mentorship?
So it includes everything. So more likely we even have fun. We have these scribble sessions, and we play games. We get to know about Imagine Cup. We get to know, like, we'll tell about Imagine Cup to all the mentors. Mentors tell about it, and about the different pilot programs which are running across MSPs, about CPM and everything. And well, if there's something which cannot be solved or answered by mentors, you can always reach out to the CPM for your mentorship or for your questions.
So,
Are there any requirements to join the program or like something like that?
Not specifically, just if you have eagerness to learn and grow in this program, so you're always welcome.
so do we need to fill any applications form, like as you said? Is there anything like a selection process to this, or?
Yeah, there's an application form which is released, and there's no selection process, but definitely we have this system which we go through the application, and the application is divided in such a way that every mentor, like each mentor, gets mentee from all across the world, like some from India, some from other nations, Brazil, US or something. It should be a mix of various people. A community should be formed which is diverse and included.
Yeah, so if someone wants to become a mentor, then how do they reach whom do they reach?
They can reach out to anyone from the MSP Inspire team. So that way we can just help them get into it. And specifically will be, I like last time it was first, so that time there wasn't any form, but we are expecting a form and a proper procedure for mentors from now onwards.
Yeah, if we get a form, we'll be having the link here. So guys, if you are interested in mentoring the program, in the given link, you can just go through it. So is this program time-based? Does it run on some a limited period of time?
So last time when we started with it, so when April cohort was declared, we started with this program, right, I guess in 5 days or something after declaration. And we ran it till everyone becomes a beta MSP. So we ran it till then. And after, even we are happy to help them after that. But at that time, everyone's becomes self-sufficient and can help them by themselves. So after that, it's no longer a program, but a small community where people just discuss about it and have fun.
So finally, what do someone gain from this?
Yeah. So well, it's a good thing, and congrats if you are MSP and you became a new MSP. But even in MSP, you have thousands and lakhs of sorry, not lakhs, thousands of people, and for them, like to get everything and to get the best out of it, it might be difficult. And there are lots of things. Like there's so many things that even I don't know much about it. There's so many channels. So MSP mentorship program will definitely help you learn from experience of other MSPs who have been in the program right from 1 year or last 6 months or something. And that will definitely help you grow faster in the program and achieve more and get best out of the program. So I guess that's the best gain. And the other gain, which I always say, learning, if we keep learning and things aside, the best thing about MSP program is the friends and the community that you create. They're always connected, and it's like the globe seems very small because you're just connected to everyone across the globe. You go to some country outside and you'll be like calling MSP, can you meet me? Can we arrange a meetup here? And that's how it works. And that's my personal experience. I went to Dubai for one of my conference and I called one of the MSP from there, Prashant, and we had a meetup. So that's like the globe appears to be very small.
That's great. Actually, I was in the April cohort itself, and I would like to tell that it was a great. It was great. This mentoring thing was great. I actually joined in, and Salman was my mentor back in the mentoring sessions. So it was great. We played Minecraft, and we asked questions about where to put the blog on, what should we do, and it is still we still have that group, and it's quite awesome to have people around that know you better and helps you through the thing. So yeah, that was a great initiative. Kudos to you, Vedant.
Thank you. To
Yeah,
all.
like
I mean, that was a collaboration of everyone.
right. I mean, yeah, like Nandini described how it feels to get mentored. So we would also like to know from Vedant, like he has been a mentor. So how has your experience been and being with people? What did you do?
It was really exciting. I mean, right from when I've joined this MSP program, I had this vision of spreading words about research because research is not a culture in for undergraduate students, especially in India. So, and the thing is because they don't know much about it. So, I had this word. We shared some small stories, and as a mentor, I shared some small stories, and they were really inspired. And back even I was inspired by their stories. So we had people from different areas and they're discussing about their stories. So it was we had these sessions where we just had a talk discussion type of sessions, and these were amazing. I mean, it was really refreshing. And even other than that, when we play Scribble or Minecraft, as Nandini told, those were fun sessions and well, learning fun together. So grow, learn together, and we can make something. Learn, grow, and fun, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I heard we even have some CS mentorship program plans in the program. So would you like to, I mean, just to put a point about it?
Yeah, so CS mentorship program is a different pilot program which the Microsoft team has started under MSP. And there's something about where we see that 80% of people, and this data is before COVID, so 80% of students of CS drop out and do not complete their graduation. And this program is will be run by one of the Microsoft employee, Amanda. We'll be discussing about how MSP, how CS is important and how you can run throughout it, whatever difficulties you face, how you can solve that. It's different other than it's not about what is MSP program, but it's more about what is outside MSP, what is CS, and how one can deal with the stress and something. But it is running under Microsoft, so it's great that MSP is now Microsoft is coming up with new initiatives which are outside tech for students, and the whole program of MSP, or I should say, Microsoft Student Ambassador, is growing really well, and it's going exciting each day.
Yeah, cool. Like we are always ready to share and teach people and help them grow. We just need you to come here and get the help from us. So we have lots of people, lots of program, and we have every platform here that can help you grow, learn, and gain so much knowledge and skill. So guys, that's it. Like I mean, it was great having Vedant here, and I hope you got all the information about the mentorship program. And we also have Nandini, who explained her experience, who was a previous I mean, who got mentored by someone else. So I hope this is what we have. Then do like and subscribe for the channel, and we even have some other videos in the given playlist. Please go through them and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.